Alright, so today might be just me. Both my helpers are busy with other things I got to do today. So I've got just a little bit of setting in that little spot right there. That little roof spot there. But my main goal today, since it's just going to be me, is to get this railing up. I mean, that was the whole purpose of doing this, was to put a new railing on the deck, and then to find out the deck was bad, and then to realize that if I want to do the railing right, I got to do the siding, so the railing has something really hardy to attach to. So I guess today we'll do the railing. All right. It's hot. It's already 100 degrees. The sun's not even over here yet. I'm dead. Well, I think as far as I wanted to today, it's okay. I got somewhere. Got that done. Hopefully you can see that. Got that done. That was a challenge and a pain. But I got that done and it looks decent. Treated you decent. And then I got this railing up. I'm gonna probably put another piece. Obviously, I'm gonna put another piece right there in the middle. I'm gonna put something on this side that will give our neighbors over there some privacy, so they can sit on their porch and we can come out here and we're not like guard watchtowering them. I would hate that. So there'll be something privacy over here. And the metal came in. I got all the bases in. I don't know if you can see that. Every single one of those bases in. I was gonna try to get that done today. Man, it got hot so quickly. That sun just started coming up over this. I don't know. Heat kicked in and my gears went out. So I brought all the wood up. Gonna get those put in. I had to put some 2x6 supports underneath because I wanted to put a 4-inch bolt to secure at least half, 2 of the 4 screw holes. I guess maybe you can see that right there. Just be safe and, to me, do it right. I wish I could do all 4, but can't. So at least half of them on that side there. Got it. That's I believe all 4 have it. So we'll get that 4 put up there, or the 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the 4 beams put up there. The 3 2x4x12s up, and then figuring this side out, it's gonna be a little challenge because the 4 foot mark is right about here, and hopefully you can hear me. Maybe you can, maybe you can. The 4 foot mark's right about there. So I'm gonna run into the roof, and then this I'll put it on camera. I did that wrong. I should have brought it not here. It should have probably came to about there. Whoops. I was trying to match up because this hangs over a little bit, so there's the deck right underneath that. But then something happens over there, and I don't know what happened. So it's in there secure though. Once I get that 4x4 put in there, yeah, buddy. I'll just float there. So I'm got to figure out what I'm gonna do here. I haven't decided yet. I don't want to put like they did before. They put the railings over it. I don't want to, because then leaves and everything build up there. So I wanted maybe put it on top of it, sort of thing, like in an angle going down, so nothing collects. Of course, it's not going to be on the roof, so the roof can be taken off, water can go over, all that jazz. Yeah. Ah, crud. I got to get that ladder off there. Hold on. So, bye.